Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today I'm going to show you how to make your Snapchat account private. So first you need to open your Snapchat app, then tap on your profile, go to your settings, now scroll down and here you can see an option here as contact me. Tap on it and enable your friends option. Go back, go to your use my Bitmoji avatar and take on only me. Go back, go to view my story, tap on friends only, and go to spotlight commands settings, and you need to tap on auto approve my friends. Go back again and scroll down, tap on see me in quick add, turn off this, go back and see me in quick add is done, and active indicator, tap on it and turn it off. Go back and tap on see my location. So you need to enable it. That's how your friends can see your location. So you have to enable it until turn off. Okay, now go back. So guys, this is how you can make your Snapchat account private. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.